For the latest updates on the Indian startup ecosystem, subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon.
As we head towards the end of Lockdown 3.0, we bring to you the stories of how startups are dealing with the crisis. Hello, I'm Debudina.
And I am Sutrishna, and here's a quick look at the top stories we covered this week.
India continues to be the world's second largest internet market with 504 million active users right after China. But what makes it all the more irresistible to the Silicon Valley companies is that it also happens to be the largest untapped internet market in the globe. With close to 900 million people without internet connectivity, there's little doubt that the next billion users are going to be from India. In an in-depth piece, we tell you how India has more rural internet users than the urban ones and how the low-cost data revolution and government's digital push have made Desi internet more diverse and inclusive.
Local Kirana stores might not have the glamour of high-end malls and outlets, but along with unorganized, unbranded retailers, they still command a lion's share of Indian retail market, which is, by the way, a $700 billion market. Now, B2B marketplace Jumbotail is after this very sector. Founded in 2015 by Ashish Chinna and S. Karthik Venkateshwaran as a wholesome online marketplace for Kiranas, Jumbotail is looking to solve one challenge for these stores, and that is getting the inventory right. Find out more about Jumbotail and how the B2B marketplace has been able to maintain scale amid the coronavirus crisis in this week's product roadmap.
Alumni of Kolkata's Jadavpur University, three friends Rajat Bhattacharya, Ankit Das and Oishik Paul skipped their placements to take the startup route. The trio founded Data Sutram, which helps businesses increase their delivery efficiency and reduce marketing burn. The founders claim that using their data and insights, clients have increased deliveries by over 35% and their growth by 20%, reducing marketing burns by almost 60%. With clients from sectors retail, e-commerce and agri-tech, Data Sutram expects to break even in 3 years and hit the 1 crore revenue mark within a year.
Necessity is the mother of invention. This saying holds particularly true in the times of coronavirus, where organizations are forced to implement stringent hygiene measures. Both employers and employees, in fact, are concerned about how the virus may spread through the workplace. In such difficult times, India's leading e-commerce marketplace, Flipkart, is undertaking strong hygiene measures to safeguard its employees against the global pandemic. Take, for example, the mobile touchless hand sanitizing dispenser that has been developed by Flipkart employees themselves, or the foot operating water dispenser, which is again a touchless innovation from Flipkart's supply chain center in Haryana. In critical times like these, this is innovation at its best.
Indian households have found a new way to come together during this lockdown. We have traveled back a couple of years, bringing out dust-laden carom boards and Ludo sets. In 1991, when local administrations decided to shut down gaming parlors, 17-year-old Vikash Jaiswal from Patna had only one dream: to buy a video game machine of his own and play it all day long. Now in his mid-40s, Vikash is the founder and CEO of gaming startup which has developed the sensational mobile game Ludo King. Ranking as India's #1 gaming app on both Android and iOS, Ludo King has 50 million active users. Read about the man behind Ludo King, which smashed all gaming records amid the coronavirus lockdown, only on yourstory.com.
And that's all for this week. For more updates on the current crisis, stay tuned to Your Stories Help Desk.
And for more news and updates from the Indian startup ecosystem, like, share and subscribe.